The latest version of the Bikeflights Bike Box Large is optimized for shipping larger-sized bikes and e-bikes like this Specialized Levo. Minimum disassembly is required. You leave your battery installed, and you can load the bike in through the side of the box rather than through the top. The Bike Box Large is designed so that you don't have to remove your rear wheel and rear derailleur. Before packing your bike, it's important to lower the battery to 30% or less. We suggest riding it. Packing the Bikeflights Bike Box Large is a simple process that requires you to do these 10 key steps. First, shift the derailleur to the easiest to pedal gear. Next, remove the pedals. Remove the front wheel. This is a great time to remove the rotor as well. If you have hydraulic disc brakes, it's also a good idea to put a spacer in your front brake caliper and secure it with a rubber band, zip tie, or tape. Replace your front wheel with our cardboard fork block and patented dropout spacer, which is sized to fit 9 different axle widths. Mark your seat height with electrical tape if you are removing it. You may be able to simply lower your dropper and seat post as well. For larger-sized bikes, you may have to let air out of your fork and rear shock to compress the bike so that it fits lengthwise inside the Bike Box Large. Make a note of your air pressure so you can inflate to your desired pressure on the destination side of your shipment. You will need to remove your handlebars and secure them in place with protection. You can do this using the provided bungees. To make putting your bike into the Bike Box Large easier, you can remove the side panel. Make sure your rear wheel slides into the wheel slot on the end panel. Once your bike is inside the Bike Box Large, reinstall the side panel. Insert the wheel sleeve next to your bike, followed by your front wheel. Protect your paint job using household items such as tube wraps, old towels, rags, etc. Utilize the perforated holes and included bungees to secure your rear wheel, front wheel, and other parts to prevent movement inside the box. Use a small parts bag to hold pedals, tools, and accessories. You can slide the small parts bag, along with water bottles and the rotor, into the openings on either side of the rear wheel slot for safekeeping during transit. Once your Bikeflights Bike Box Large is packed, use bikeflights.com to ship it the best way. Check out our videos on how different styles of bikes can be packed in the latest version of the Bike Box Large. We ship. You ride.